This tutorial will show you how to turn on Google Safe Search for phone online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to turn on Google Safe Search for your phone, I'm using an iPhone or basically a iOS device. I'm going to open up Safari, and basically the first step is type in your keyword you would like to turn on Safe Search. You notice off of the bat, Safe Search is on blur, off, and filter. If you click filter, this is the highest quality possible to basically safe search everything on your iPhone or smartphone device. Alright, and on Android, it's again the same thing, pretty self-explanatory. I'm using Google Chrome search engine or browser device. Similar keyword, and as you can see, Safe Search is currently on filter, which is the highest quality possible. So now we don't have anything inappropriate on anything here, and you are completely protected online Android Play Store completely for free.